really nice gotta patti work. Wow, massive range. So we're coming up to my favourite place to buy fabric in Jalandhar. This is where we park our car and the gully is down there. On this side is the suits shops. The one I like, I think, this one, Fabric Shack, so let's go here first. So here you can get all kinds of brocade, and these are like ready dyed and stuff, but you can also get these ones that you can dye any colour you like. So the metallic shows, but the base will be any colour you want, just like these, but you can choose your fabric, well, choose your colour. More georgettes and chiffons here. It's a sea of sequins and beautiful colours.
And just across the road from Fabric Shack is Walk Street. Look at this.
They lay things out so beautifully, you can find them really easily. Exactly like the picture. Yeah, that's nice.
Every type of bead, every colour, lace you can imagine. So I'm going to show you in detail.
So these are all the gold shades. Yeah, that's really nice.
Where it shows through.
Yeah, that looks really nice. I like that one. They're really sweet. They look effective. And some nice lutkins. You can have these for your dupattas, for the back of your neck. These are really nice. I've used some of these before, but it's been a while since I've seen them, so it's nice that they've started bringing this back. And if you didn't want to wear the jewellery, you could just wear this, put this straight onto your outfit. This one 1,000. 1,000. Very nice.
That's
They're very nice. I'm really looking forward to making something with these. I'm spoilt for choice now. I need to work out what I need to buy. So, some lovely pieces. These are with the balls and the pom-poms. We love this bright pom-pom stuff. So this is nice for beach wear as well. If you just want to jazz up a kaftan, upcycle an old blouse, it looks really nice.
This is what we bought. Wow, I really enjoyed shopping here. And the best bit, everything is fixed price, so you don't have to haggle. No headaches like that at all. I'll definitely be coming back to this shop, and I recommend it to anybody who's going to be in the Jalandhar area. I'll put the address for both shops in the description below, so make sure you check it out next time you're there. Please share this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time.